Across the country, educational institutions, from high schools to trade schools, vocational programs, colleges, and universities, are looking for new ways to strengthen their construction education programs and give students real-world experience. In today's rapidly evolving industry, schools are being asked to do more than ever: provide hands-on construction training while preparing graduates with real-world skills, industry certifications, and clear pathways to employment. However, many programs face a common challenge. Most student projects stop at the classroom level. Students may frame walls, install systems, or even complete a home, but when the year ends, those projects rarely meet the standards required for placement, insurance, financing, or resale. What if your students' building projects didn't just end in the classroom but became real, certifiable homes? That's where NOAA Certified comes in. As the nation's leader in tiny home and modular/offsite-built inspections, we help students gain hands-on construction training, learn real-world building standards, work directly with professional inspectors, and graduate with industry-ready confidence. Our 5-stage remote digital inspection (RDI) process makes it simple. It boosts your program's reputation and funding opportunities, gives students nationally recognized certifications, and turns classroom builds into insurable, financeable, sellable homes with real-world value. With NOAA Certified, students don't just build projects, they build futures. Future-proof your school's program today. Partner with NOAA Certified. Educating builders, certifying homes, building futures.